Okay, so my phone died unexpectedly when I was making the last video for my system test because I ran out of memory, so I just had to turn the alarm off and stuff, and don't want to talk about the new system, so let's just take this from where it was. Okay, then we're going back to the basement. Let me just turn this off now. And so I'm actually using a Notifier NBG12LX. And it's addressable. I got it for a good deal. I got it for like $20, so why not? I'm going to take this out, maybe sell it. It's a good module. Just bypassed it. This is actually FPL wire that I'm using right here. Goes into my box. I'll show you what this crazy box looks like. This wire, which is right here, comes from my room in that closet. And this wire, right there, also comes with it. Goes onto this little thing. This is actually going to be a junction box on the floor. This actually right now does not do anything. I don't think it does. Okay, actually not. These two are actually hooked up. So yeah, I don't know what that's going to be used for in the future, but And that wire just goes up so by the bank. I'll just show you where that wire leads to. That wire goes to here, comes out of a hole in the floor, and it's right here. Don't know what I'm going to use that for. But yeah, I'll show you what my crowded junction box looks like. Let's do this. This may take a second. Sorry. Okay. Yeah.